Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to give someone Roblox without premium. I just log into my Roblox account, and in this profile I just tap on this create button, and after creating hub is logged, and just tap on the top left and just scroll down to find this creation button. Just tap on it. So after creation you will scroll down. Here you will see the billionaire boy when it is place, and just you can again just top left, just tap to on the three dots and create badge. Just tap on create badge. So after you will just scroll down and just tap on the top left corner of lines 3 and scroll down to find monetization is passes. So just create a pass of this Roblox account. So just tap on it, create a pass, and you will just add a picture or just give them name of your Roblox account and add a short description of your passes account of Roblox. So after you will just fill this out, and you will just create a pass and you will just give them and this Roblox account without a premium. So here I will just is a random to teach you how to it work. I will just a random name of this Roblox account, and here's a short description which is I write this is a game changer account for give free. So just tap to create passes, and hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.